CryptoSLO, cryptocurrency news and investing.
CryptoSLO with more crypto gains. Today, a quick video. So I promised an unboxing of a RavenCoin.Shop apparel. So I guess like last week they announced that they are now taking RavenCoin, so you can buy RavenCoin.Shop tees and merchandise with crypto, which is super cool. So today's video was just a quick unboxing of my RavenCoin.Shop t-shirt. I ordered an XL and shipping was pretty dang fast. I was pretty impressed with that. So let's give it an open. Alright. Nice. That's good. Okay. Alright. Let's see the brand on the t-shirt. Lightning Light Anvil. Let's see. It is 100% cotton. So let's unfold it and see what we got. I want the black with the classic Raven. Oh, it's nice and big. Let's see. All right. Sweet. It's got the Raven. All right. Let's put it on, see what it looks like. All right, here we are. Got my RavenCoin.Shop tee. It's 100% cotton. Feels good. Fit feels good. I'm about 220, so you can see it fits. Not super tight. Sleeves are good. There is a RavenCoin.Shop logo on the back of the neck. So overall, I give it like an 8 or a 9. I would have liked to seen more of a butter tee, a little softer of a t-shirt, but it feels high quality. I like it. It'll allow me to support the RavenCoin. So check out RavenCoin.Shop. This is CryptoSLO. Not talking gains, and we're not talking.